Good morning. 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 single rear wheel drive. Going to do a quick walk around. Up front we got brand new 37 by 12.5 20 tires, all 4 tires, new rough country shocks. The front end's been completely rebuilt, tie rod bars or tie rod ends, ball joints, drag link, rough country stabilizer shocks. It's got new alternators, new AC compressor, new brakes, new shocks in the back. Just kind of giving you up close. It does have some nicks and dings and scratches. Mechanically, very, very strong. LED lights in the back. This has got the 5.9 Cummins. I've got another video of a cold start, 34 degrees, new batteries. Inside the seat does have some wear here, and it does have a spot here that needs to be fixed. Upholstery shop, 50 bucks can fix that. Got the lift up back seats. If you have any questions, give us a call, 434-993-3256.